Welcome to Power Public School online learning series. Subject EVS Part 1. And the lesson The Earth and its living world. On the surface of the earth, we find land in some places and water in other places. The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. Atmosphere, biosphere, after that lithosphere and hydrosphere. These are the four main characteristics of our surrounding. Now see what is the meaning of the surface of the earth. We find land in some places and water in other. The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. So first of all, we see the concept of the lithosphere. What is the meaning of lithosphere? Lithosphere means the part of land. Then what is the meaning of hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means the part of water. And atmosphere means the part of air. So all that part is called as atmosphere. Now see, water, land, air constitute envelopes of the earth, namely the hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. Okay, water means what? Water means the hydrosphere. All that part which consists of water is called hydrosphere. All that part which consists of land is called lithosphere. After that, see what is the meaning of atmosphere? Atmosphere means the part of air. The biosphere spreads in all other three spheres. Means water is called as hydrosphere, land is called as lithosphere, air is called as atmosphere. Then what is the meaning of biosphere? Biosphere means all that thing which growing on land, which living on land. Means what? For example, snake is living on land. After that, fishes are living in water. In atmosphere means in air, there are birds which are in the air. Okay, now see, hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere, these are connecting with each other. Then what is the meaning of biosphere? Biosphere means all that material which grows on a land, that called as a biosphere. So it is interrelated with atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Biosphere spreads in all the other three spheres. Means biosphere connecting with all these spheres. Living things are found in lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. This is we called as biosphere. Means all that living thing which found on lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere are called as biosphere. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, this is the first part. Okay, thank you.